We're heading back out to take a live look at Folly Beach here, where Florence continues to rage away. And even though it's a tropical storm, it's very important to note that even though the system may not pack the huge winds, it packs so much water. Trillions of gallons of water are still going to fall from the system going into the weekend, and the flooding could last through the middle of next week, if not longer. Here's a look at local weather. And again, by contrast, couldn't be quieter. It's 66 right now in Santa Maria and San Luis Obispo, 82 Paso Robles, 65 Lompoc, and 76 in Santa Barbara. And the winds currently about 10 to 15 miles per hour. Let's take a look at weather watchers today. Temperatures did well today. Santa Barbara 86, 84 Santa Ynez. We had a little morning offshore push and it really limited the marine cloud cover. 87 Cuyama, Goleta 80, 63 in Morro Bay. Paso Robles 89 degrees, 77 at Pismo and San Luis, 74 in Santa Maria, and 70 in Lompoc. Paso Robles tomorrow, though, won't be as warm. 80 degrees daytime high. Hourly forecasts here, do some on TV, but we have all of them available on our KSBY weather app, and that's free and available at all the app stores. So let's take a look at Santa Maria as well. Daytime highs, lower 70s, breeze in the afternoon, about 15 to 20 miles per hour. San Luis Obispo, same story. We'll peak somewhat early here with daytime highs noon, 1, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, but 20 to 25 mile per hour winds by late in the afternoon, early evening hours. Temperatures already back into the lower 60s. Tropical storm Florence, the latest update here, the winds 70 miles per hour. But this is the number I'm really concerned about. The fact that it's only moving at 3 miles per hour. That means the relentless rains linger in one location for a very long time. Satellite radar composite, where you see all this red in here, this is all flood warnings. So this is a multi-state flood emergency right now. And some of the rain rates are up to 3 inches per hour. And how many more hours do we have? Probably around 36 as it continues to scrape through northern South Carolina and moving inland. And remember, all the rain that falls inland here is going to run back out over the areas where it's already flooding. So this is going to be a catastrophe that continues through the weekend. And then the storm starts turning north over West Virginia, and we could see some rainfall, several inches up there as well. And all the models say the same thing, that rainfall could be up to 40 inches of rain. One location already has 30, according to the USGS. Okay, Pacific Northwest, we've got a trough of low pressure in here. There's enough of it around over the weekend and early next week to keep the high temperatures in control. Late next week, I like temperatures to build back a little bit. There you can see by Friday next week, we have a ridge of high pressure in here. That means 80s for the coast and 90s for the interior. But until then, here's what we're going to see. Overnight lows tonight in the interior, dropping into the 40s again, and then daytime highs low to mid 70s for much of the central coast. South coast temperatures again in the 80s, but not like today where we saw mid and upper 80s. It'll be lower 80s. Low 80s Cuyama Valley. 5 cities, again an afternoon breeze. I like plenty of sunshine. 64 Los Osos, 62 Morro Bay, and 79 San Miguel. The extended forecast here, and again you get the idea with the 7-day, the 5-day is not going to be much different. It is just straight, flat, and in really nice territory. Nothing that extreme. Look at the daytime highs in San Luis Obispo. Low to mid 70s, warming to nearly 80. That's pretty good. Scott, Kathy, back to you.
Always good on the Central Coast. Thanks a lot, Dave. It is Friday.